What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. This is the Humble Marksman channel. I'm going to talk a little bit about an accessory I got for my press, which I'm really enjoying. You can kind of see it, but if you don't know what you're looking at, it's right there. It is the low mass detent ball and bearing kit for my Dillon XL650. What it does is it smooths out the action and replaces the OEM ball bearing and spring under the shell plate, so that when the action advances, or the shell plate advances, it's not a very harsh stop. So that's the OEM ball. It's a little steel ball bearing with a little spring. They give you a reduced power spring and a phenolic ball that is super slick. I tried to install the old setup, but I couldn't get it out. It was so slick, so it's just going to be in there. And I'll show you what I mean. And it does two things. It speeds up the cycling of the press, as well as cuts down on powder spillage. So I'm using Alliant Sport Pistol, which has very fine particles. But if you see, I run the press up and down in advance, there's not going to be any powder spillage. And to highlight a point, I haven't actually tried this, so we're going to learn this together. I'm going to double charge this case with a lot of powder. You can see all that powder in there, and none of it's coming out. And that's about the pace that I advance the shell plate. The only modification that you have to make is you have to bend up the ejector wire kind of right there. You have to accept that bearing. But you can see how much powder is in that case. I mean, it is a ton of powder. That's 7.6 grains of powder in a 9mm case, and it didn't spill a single grain going through. So it actually sped up my processing time to about 100 rounds in 6 minutes if nothing goes wrong, whereas I was usually pushing about 8 or 9, just because it makes priming a little bit smoother. I don't know how. It makes the priming work a little bit better. There are no misalignments. It just advances quicker. So there's an Amazon link down below. Click that and you can get the same bearing kit for your 650. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.